Welcome to another installment of In the Pro Shop, brought to you by bowlingballcom. Today we're going to show you how to lay out a ball using the triangle grip, which is used for two-handed bowlers as well as bowlers that do not use a thumb hole. So to start off, you're going to draw a line with your Pro Set quarter scale from the pin through the center of gravity. Now what you want to do is draw another line with the CG in the middle of that line, 120 degrees from the first line you just drew. Then we're going to repeat that process one more time, 120 degrees from this line, again with the center of gravity in the center of that line. So now we have our three center lines. What we have to do now is get a 1/4 of an inch bridge in between each finger hole. So to do that, we're going to draw a line 1/8 of an inch on either side of all three of these lines. Okay, so now what we have is we have our center line with a 1/4 inch bridge in between each finger hole. And what we're going to do now is we're going to drill these finger holes right here, touching each edge of that bridge line. So when we are all done drilling the ball, what we're going to have is we're going to have 3 holes, all with the center of gravity in the center, and all of them with a 1/4 inch bridge. When we drill these holes, we're going to drill them with 3/8 lateral pitch and 0 forward and reverse pitch. So as you use these holes, each hole will have 3/8 lateral pitch away, so we won't have an issue with them meeting at the bottom. And when we're all done, I'll go over how we have different layouts using this layout method. Okay, we're back with our drilled ball using the triangle layout system. As you can see, we have 3 holes surrounding the center of gravity. They all have a 1/4 of an inch bridge between them. As we use this, I'm going to rotate the ball, and I'm going to show you which holes are your gripping holes, what hole is your balance hole, and we'll go through the 6 different layouts that you can get out of this layout. So first, the pin is at 12 o'clock. You'll use the top 2 holes as your gripping holes. The balance hole falls below those 2 gripping holes. As we rotate the ball, we now get the pin at the 2 o'clock position. Gripping holes are the bottom 2 holes, balance hole is above those holes. Turn it one more time. Pin goes to the 4 o'clock down position. Gripping holes are on top, balance hole is below those gripping holes. Our 4th layout would be the pin down at 6 o'clock. Your gripping holes are the bottom 2 holes. Your balance hole falls above those holes. One more time, we get to the 8 o'clock position. Gripping holes are now back on top. Balance hole is below. And your last layout will be the pin at the 10 o'clock position. Gripping holes down, balance hole above those gripping holes. And of course, then we come right back to where we started with the pin at 12 o'clock. So as you can see, this layout system allows a two-handed bowler or a no-thumb bowler to have 6 different layouts out of the same bowling ball. So this is going to give you 6 different looks, or allow you to use the same ball on varying lane conditions and use different layouts to achieve the ball reaction you want. We've been using a system similar to this since the late 90s for no-thumb bowlers. With the popularity of two-handed bowlers and seeing more and more no-thumb bowlers and two-handed bowlers, we thought we'd give you a brief explanation on how you can use this layout to advantage. If you have any questions regarding this or any other questions, feel free to let us know at bowlingball.com. Thanks for watching, have a great day, and remember, bowlingball.com, it's where bowlers go.